Should businesses stock inventory only when they need it or keep extra stock? That's the debate between two powerful systems, just in time JIT and just in case JIC. In this video, we will explore what these systems are, their differences, advantages, disadvantages, and real-world examples. First, let's define each system. Just in time or JIT. Inventory is ordered and received only when needed. The goal is to reduce waste, lower costs, and keep stock minimal. Example would be Toyota and McDonald's. They don't keep excess parts or burgers. They produce based on demand. Just in case or JIC. Companies keep large amounts of inventory on hand in case demand spikes or suppliers fail. The goal is security and reliability even if it costs more. Example would be a hospital stocking extra medical supplies for emergencies. Let's break down the mechanics of each system. JIT uses a pull system. Production happens only when demand occurs. Relies on Kanban systems, frequent supplier deliveries, and small batches. Requires precise coordination and reliable suppliers. JIC uses a push system. Production is based on forecasts. Inventory is stored in bulk and requires large warehouses, higher holding costs, but provides a cushion against uncertainty. Advantages of each system. Advantages of JIT: lower inventory costs, less waste and obsolescence, improved cash flow, more responsive to actual customer demand. Advantages of JIC: protection against supply chain disruptions, ability to handle the sudden demand spikes, greater reliability and less risk of stockouts. Safer for industries where shortages could be catastrophic. Of course, both systems come with risks. Disadvantages of JIT: vulnerable to supply chain disruptions, requires very reliable suppliers, no buffer stock for emergencies. Not ideal for industries with unpredictable demand. Disadvantages for JIC: high holding and storage costs, risk of obsolete or expired stock, ties up capital in inventory, less lean and efficient. Now the question is, which system should you choose? The answer would be it depends. Use JIT if you want efficiency, have stable demand, reliable suppliers, and strong logistics. Use JIC if you operate in high-risk industries, face uncertain demand, or cannot afford stockouts. Some businesses even use a hybrid approach: JIT for regular items, JIC for critical items. For example, an electronics company may use JIT for accessories, but JIC for microchips that are hard to source. Just in time and just in case are two very different philosophies. Just in time is about efficiency and lean operations. Just in case is about security and preparedness. Both have their place, and the best businesses know when to use one or even combine both. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more business and supply chain insights, and drop a comment below. Would you choose JIT or JIC for your business and why? See you in the next video.